called serialization. Okay, input. If you output, do the output. That called deserialization. Anybody have question? Hello.
Lomba arekbar. Serialization, deserialization.
If you want to read the file from Excel, so they have a concept called serialization.
Acha.
If you want to output from your computer to Excel, that is called deserialization. Okay. So there is a file input stream. Convert to the file you. File input stream means serialization. File output stream means deserialization.
Acha. Okay.
Okay. Same thing. Serialization means input. Deserialization means output. So in Java, create the class called file input stream and file output stream. Class is
জি বুঝতে পারছি
Anybody have question?
I'm sorry. What deserialization? ওটা মানে কি?
Computer to Excel.
You computer to Excel output again. Input and output.
Input I got. Input file from Excel and output is from the computer.
Yeah, computer to your Excel.
Okay.
So that is the output. Or web application to your local file, you input it like with the Excel file. Save the Excel file. That's called output. Deserialization.
Okay.
Okay. Any question? So I'm creating one file here. Excel file. I'm creating one Excel file here. Go to the Excel. I'm creating one Excel file. Like username, name, user name, one. Let's take example. Now we say naam ki dibo, rename test data. Right? I have to save it. Save it where? Save when? Huh? Where is the save?
ফাইলে গিয়া
এই যে সেভতে এই যাও
Why not save it? Huh? What happened? Okay. It give me the site. Don't save. Maybe. I'm saving here. Keep the seal on. কিসে
খিদা লাগছে What?
হ্যাঁ
Yeah, I'm fasting.
Very good.
ভাই দোয়া করি একটু হ্যাঁ
সবার জন্য দোয়া।
Okay. So I have test data 1 here. Username, password, right? I'm putting here username, password. I'm creating another one, just first on random data. User name 1. Oh, sorry, username. Name 1. Nice example I'm creating here. Rename TS test. Okay. So this is my location. I have test data here. I'm putting in two dependencies as well as one is a pom.py 3.17. One is a XML. py/.xml. These two dependencies mandatory. Then let's write the code. So first of all, what do we need? File input stream. You guys forget it. I'm 3 times explaining. We need first file input stream.
String file.
Huh?
Which the string file is the path.
Yes. That's why the thing we need file input stream first. Let's see. Different way. Many people many way can do that, but I'm doing my way. Let's see. MAIN main. First we need main method. Okay. Then I have to create the call file input stream. File input is stream str. Stream. Anything file, this is object, then equal, then new, then file input stream again, then I can put the what is the call here, double quote. I'm doing new way, new file, then give the location. Okay. This is a location. Okay, let's see. I have to import it. This is Java IO. File input stream Java IO. Then file also from Java IO. This is a true thing. I'm doing true. Then throws. I have to parsing the here location. Then you see throw section. So which one we are using? First of all, I am putting throw.
Try catch. Oh.
I'm putting double quote. Okay. So I have to define the location here. No matter what. Okay. Let's do it. I have to do this is the XML property. And here Control C. Dot passing the my XML test data. This is yes.
Okay, so the first question: how did the Excel file go into your test data?
What is that?
Like, how did the Excel file got into your test data folder?
Copy paste this.
I didn't get it. I just write the coding. You did the answer question in middle of the blog. Then what is it? This is how to read the file from the outside. Text file, text property. So this is your file input stream from Java class. You have to create object. Yeah.
My question was, remember, where you put the path, you have Excel file over there, right?
Yeah.
Into that folder. So how did you bring it? How did you bring the Excel file into your folder? Did you just copy and paste it? or you have to?
It. Okay, again. So what?
No, this is, he told us how you write the Excel in your Eclipse.
Oh, I right? And I paste it. I first write down in the outside, then I paste it here. Okay, again. You see, I'm writing here this file, right?
Okay.
Then I am copy from here. Copy. I'm pasting here my folder. Where my folder? This way, you have to write down outside, not inside. Okay, write down Excel data in outside, and you can post in create the one folder inside data. Okay.
Okay.
So that's why I'm giving location here. The second thing, what I have to do?
Also another question. Sorry.
Yes. No problem.
You see, like for the path, like you didn't put the whole path in there. You just.
This is a path. Whatever you're putting, that one is called location. Again, let's go. There is a differentiator. I'm telling you many times. This is a location. If you put the whole thing, it's called location. If you put this one also after the project, that's called path. Is here already definition given. So I'm putting the path. You can put location as well. No problem. Both one is work.
Okay.
Both one is work. So we have to connect with the right now Excel file. So this is file input stream from the Java IO. Okay. File input stream from the Java class. There is a you see here is a Java IO file input stream. File also this file coming from the Java. This is the keyword, all the keyword from the Java. Okay. Then second step, I have to write down something.
You put the dot because it is a Mac. That's why you put the dot on top of the page.
Hello. Sorry, what did you say?
On the page, when you pick the page, you put the dot sign on the front, right?
Yeah, dot means my project location. So I put. If it is the inside the local machine, I don't have to put the dot.
Okay.
Okay. If it is your machine inside the project, you have to define the location. That means dot is this project. If you use in your this data from the outside of the, that means your local machine C drive, D drive, then you cannot put this dot. Then it is done. Don't understand.
Okay.
Okay. So next step, we have to write the some keyword. This is a keyword I am not creating. They're creating the Excel. So there is a X, X, S, S, F, W, workbook. O, R, K, B, O, K, workbook 5. Workbook, create the object, like, X, X, S, S, F, W, O, R, K, work, B, O, K, workbook. Then I create the object, YB, this is the object. Then equal to new workbook.
Testing with us.
Then passing the my object this one. Control C this one. Okay. This one I have to input. You see PUI as a cell. See guys here this keyword coming from the Excel. Sorry, Apache PUI. So I have to import it. Both are done. So file first of all I file input stream Java class using create the file, give the location. Then whatever object is contained the this file location. This file I have to connect right now is the Excel file. See this thing, this one I have to pass inside the work. This way, first I'm giving the location, then connect with the Excel book. Then second step, I tell them access sheet is SSF sheet, sheet, object again, SEET sheet equal to this object YB dot get sheet. Get sheet. Get sheet. Get sheet at 0. Then I'm telling OK. You have to import it. SHEET sheet. So this one coming again from Apache PY. This is also predefined word, keyword. You have to define again another option. This object call the get sheet start from the 0. You have to call them the 0 start from the 0. So this web also use here. This is connected this one. Then third level we have to iterate. That means whole row I have to iterate it. Same as a looping in what is it called? How to read the Excel file? We need to the iterator first. Okay. Iterator. Then passing the row. You know the string, integer, wrapper class. We have to pass with the inside the interface. But in iterator, we pass the for Excel purpose. We pass the row. Okay. Then create the object again. Row iterator. Equal this sheet copy, then B dot iterator. So this is again keyword. Okay, Java util iterator coming from the Java collection iterator. The row coming from the Excel. Okay, that's all. See, nobody asks you writing this code. Okay, this is seems like code 3-4 line is very hard, but if you do 100 time practice, then it will be overcome. Otherwise, you don't need to write again. Go through my coding and understand the logic, how to read the file from the Excel. We need first thing Apache PY. Second, we need file input stream serialization. Third, we need some keyword like XSF workbook, then XSF sheet iterator. Then you can find your Excel data. Okay, by.get, by.column, by.sheet. Okay, so we have to do the looping right now. We have to do looping. It seems very hard. Nobody doing during the work done. This is a one-time coding. You write down inside. I'm already write down inside my super class. You guys know utility package, right? Everybody see that my coding in utility. I'm already creating the utility for you guys. Okay, how to read the Excel sheet is here. Just call somewhere and read it. This is way. But how to read? That's why I'm showing little bit. Usually it's not showing, just giving the coding. Try to understand the logic. But I'm doing one by one. for you guys little bit try to comfortable. You know the how to do the read the Excel file. You can give the answer. You cannot do the complete this thing. Is if you do the 50 time practice, then you can read the data. Otherwise, you can see inside the what is it called? Google, a lot of coding. You can just copy paste. You can run it, but you are not writing this code. It's too hard. Okay. No worry, everything is easy. Multiple time if you do. So though we have to do the looping right now. In iterator is a one of the looping also. In collection, second term we are doing the while looping. Okay, WHILE while looping. While looping, I have to do this one row iterator. Cell. Then dot. So, GPY. Then Y, HILY. Select filter. Dot. Hash next. Then it is done. It is done. It is done. I don't need to. Only mechanism go as WITH switch. So dot get self type. Self type. Or test data. Look, this is a name test data. That's why I'm passing here test data. Okay, this is my test data location. This is my test data location. File input is stream coming from the Java IO. Second is a XSF workbook. Workbook is a object. New workbook. This file communicate with this file. Then I tell them the XSF sheet. Again create the object. This workbook by equal get sheet name. Sheet that means passing the data. So data means what? If your Excel file, like example, in here, your test data, your sheet name. This is a test data sheet name. This is a sheet name. You have to pass here. You have to pass here. Sorry, there data. Okay. So whatever you see here, data. It is data or something. Test data. So I have to put the test data. Test data. TESDATA. Test data. Okay. Then you have to do iterator. Iterator is an object. Again, create the sheet dot iterator. While loop you created, then your system print out. System print out row dot your next cell number 1 means number 1 data is coming. Let's see. It is just a second. If I am doing the 1 data. No, it will be this Java application. While not found exception. Why while not found exception? Test data. Data. Test data. Data. Location is different.
But your screen is frozen. And your voice and your